sponsor is PH Bulk Trucking is the sponsor. Next, Jay and Pam Allen with the 2001 Gebhardt Dragster. And sponsored by J.C. Whitney. Next, Bob and Sue Martin with the 1972 Plymouth Duster, sponsored by J.C. Whitney. Next is Dean Ganong with the 1953 Ford F100, sponsored by Brad Pagani, General Contracting. Next, Carl Michelson with the 1966 Chevy pickup, sponsored by Jimmy's Motor Rebuilding. Next is Greg Waldorf with the 1968 Chevy Nova SS, sponsored by Jimmy's Motor Rebuilding.
Hey, Greg.
Next, Frank Pope with the 2001 Pontiac Trans Am, and that is sponsored by City of Peru.
He's waving.
Come on. Like you're not wet enough.
Hey! Another guy with an umbrella like that.
All right, next is Lena and Peter Sullivan with the 2002 Chevy S10, and that is sponsored by Peru Police Department. Next is Gary Hamilton with the 1979 Datsun 280 ZX, sponsored by Dressback Distributing. Next is Ken Stevens with the 1970 Dodge Super Bee, and that is sponsored by Professional Home Inspection. Is Brittany Nolasco with the 1972 Harley Davidson FX Superglide.
And the only motorcycle.
Right now?
I got a trailer come to pick me up.
Do you have a trailer? And that is sponsored by Stevens Service Center.
Where's yours?
No glory.
Next is Jeremy Farling with the 1984 Old Cutlass Supreme. And it's sponsored by the Last Muffler and Brake Shop. Next is Sam Boldy with the Corvette Convertible 1956. Sponsored by Giovanni's Auto.
Oh, yeah.
No, I think it's going up. Is that it? That's it. No, we need one more door. One more door. That's right. That's right. Hey, that had pretty well about 40 years ago track.
All right, now we're ready for Best of Show Modified. Best of Show Modified goes to car number 7, Les Wallace, with the 1947 Hudson pickup, and he hails out of Marseille.
Hey, let's turn around. Thank you, buddy.
And these trophies are sponsored by Illinois Valley Rodders. And Best of Show Original goes to car number 16, Don Klein Sr., with the 1933 Chevy 4-door, and he hails out of Peru.
Hey, Don. Hey, Don. Turn around.
Yeah, there's the door prize.
I would like to thank everybody for being
Thank you, buddy.
It's been a terrible day. I appreciate you coming, and I hope you come back next week. Thank you.
Yay!
When you leave, drive slow, and I appreciate it if you would back out into the street over the curb so we don't tear up the park.
Oh, come on.
Can we do donuts out in the grass? No.